Hello, and welcome to my channel and my kitchen. Today, we're going to be making the filling for stuffed grape leaves. I've got 3 cups of rice and 2 cups of bulgur in this bowl, ready for the filling. Gonna give them a good rinse. Now, you can always adjust these ingredient amounts if you like. You can double them, of course. Okay, after a nice wash, I'm adding 4 large onions that I've finely chopped. These are going right in. I chopped up 1 cup of fresh parsley, and that's going in too. We've got some tomato paste. I'm adding 1 cup of that. Since it's not the season, I'm using some homemade tomato sauce from the summer and some crushed tomatoes. Here we go, friends. And I'm adding 5 cloves of minced garlic. Now for 1 cup of olive oil. And 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I used a tomato and pepper paste mix, so I added both together. Feel free to use whichever paste you prefer. I'm also adding about 4 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses. And for seasoning, 3 teaspoons of salt. Of course, you can adjust the salt to your taste. 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. That's going in. And we can't forget the mint. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of dried mint. I'm going to grab my spoon, but really, it's best to use your hands to mix this well. Once we've thoroughly mixed the filling, you can check the oil content. If it seems like it needs a bit more, you can always add a little extra oil.